Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. I'm going to quickly show you guys how to export your settings that you edited as LUTs so you'll be able to actually import them on future projects or even share them with other people. You simply go to layers, go to new, go to background from layer. Okay, that's very important. You will need it to be background from layer. And then after that, you go to file, then you go to export, then you go to color lookup table. Okay, then you pick whatever you want. Now you can select all of these if you want. It's really no big deal, but we're going to select them all. And then what grid points do you want? That doesn't really matter that much either. So what we're going to do is then hit OK. We actually have an area where we save our LUTs. So I'll call it thingy .lut for the purpose of this, and then it will save it as all of those. Hopefully this has helped you in some way, shape, or form. If you want any other guides in the future, feel free to let me know, and feel free to subscribe if you're not already. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.